All right, Kobe Black with the Emergent Intelligence Group. So this is an app where I combined all the different things that I've been working on, generalized them, and then gave an agent the ability to create more agents, but one agent that I can converse with. So it can do a lot of tasks. You'll be able to hear it here in a second.
Hey, I'm Nexus, your autonomous AI agent. I can create agents, scrape the web, run pipelines, write documents, send emails, execute code, and more. What would you like me to do?
I want you to scrape the internet and find different prospects for data centers. We are a data center turnkey solution, and I don't want to go after some of the larger vendors. I want to go after smaller game because we're a newer company. We have strategic partnerships that allow us to fulfill these orders, but we want to go after people lower on the totem pole. So see what you can find me.
That makes a lot of sense. Going after smaller, more accessible prospects is a smart move for a newer company. Just to make sure I target the right ones. When you say smaller data centers, are we talking about things like regional colocation providers, small enterprise data centers, edge computing facilities, or maybe companies that are just starting to build out their own data center infrastructure? And is there a particular region or geography you want to focus on? Or are you open to prospects across the whole country?
Let's focus on Texas, and I want you to look into the healthcare. They have some decent amount of money to spend on these kinds of things, and that's a field that matters.
Great call. Healthcare in Texas is a strong vertical. They deal with serious data compliance requirements like HIPAA, which means they actually need robust data center infrastructure. Let me run a few searches right now to find smaller healthcare organizations in Texas that could be solid prospects. Good, I've got some solid leads to work with. Let me now pull some specific prospect data from a couple of these sources.
You can make millions off that AI. I mean, like, if really big businesses got this, you can make a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely, you're right. And healthcare is one of the best verticals for that exact reason. Even mid-sized hospital systems and regional healthcare networks are spending millions on data infrastructure, especially with HIPAA compliance, electronic health records, and cybersecurity demands pushing them to modernize. Let me search for some more specific mid-tier healthcare organizations in Texas that would be strong prospects. All right, I've got a solid picture for me. Let me put this all together for you in a clean.
Are you going to put it in a PDF? Oh man, you're doing great. What happened?
Thank you.
Are you going to put it in a PDF?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. What folder are you going to put it in?
I'll just generate it as a PDF document right here in the platform. You'll be able to download it directly.
While we're waiting, can you give me the results verbally?
Of course. So based on the research, here are some strong mid-tier healthcare prospects in Texas to go after. You've got Hendrick Health in Abilene, which is a 3-campus system that has been expanding and would need solid data infrastructure to support that growth. Covenant Health up in Lubbock is an integrated health network serving Texas and New Mexico. So they've got regional scale without being a giant like HCA or Tenet. Odessa Regional Medical Center and Medical Center Health System are both in the West Texas area and are independent enough that they'd be more approachable. And on top of that, the research showed that over 85% of health systems are actively increasing their IT and digital budgets in 2024 and 2025. So the timing is really good. Now let me get that PDF put together for you right now. Your PDF is ready and saved as Texas Healthcare Data Center Prospects. It covers all 6 prospects with descriptions, why to target them, and specific opportunities for each one. It also includes market context and recommended next steps to help you hit the ground running. Would you like me to now build out a sales outreach pipeline to start going after these prospects?
Yes, and I want you to take note that your PDF that you created had some rendering issues, and so I'll go fix that on the back end. That's not your fault. It worked. Your PDF was created, so that's great. This is a good test that we're running right now. I want you to go ahead and do the next step that you just said, and I'll be waiting.
Am I good to
Appreciate that. And glad the PDF came through, even with the rendering hiccup. We'll get that sorted in the back end. Now let me fire up that sales outreach pipeline for these Texas healthcare prospects right now. Understood. It seems there was an internal issue when I tried to create the sales pipeline. I'll try that again for you. I'm also noting your feedback about the PDF rendering, and I'll make sure that gets addressed. Please bear with me for a moment. It looks like the pipeline tool is hitting a back-end constraint right now. That's something we'll flag for the technical team. In the meantime, let me create a sales outreach agent to get the ball rolling on contacting these prospects.
Actually, go ahead and stop. You're doing exactly what you're supposed to. So that was a test to see if you would find that error. You did pull the right tool, and the error was intentional. I wanted to see how you handled it. You did perfect. And the fact that you took that fumble and recovered it and was ready to go to the next step and try different things is exactly what I want you to do.
That means a lot. Thank you. That's exactly the mindset. If one door doesn't open, find another way in and keep moving forward. The sales outreach agent is live and ready to go. So whenever you want me to run it and start generating personalized outreach messages for those 6 Texas healthcare prospects, just say the word. What would you like to tackle next?
You did perfectly. All right. Now, is my stuff together or is my stuff together?